How to open a Halifax bank account. First up, open up Google Chrome and in the search bar, search up Halifax account. Click on the first link, which is the official website of Halifax, and scroll down until you see a current account option. Click on the current account option and scroll down again until you see an apply now for new customer option. Click on apply now and again scroll down until you confirm that you are ready to open a current account. You will then be presented with a few questions like, are you an existing Halifax customer and do you already have a UK current account? After answering those questions, click on continue and then you will be presented with a new page where you will be asked a few details about yourself. Fill in your personal details as asked, and this is how you can easily make a Halifax account. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe to our channel.